So there's two types of idgham. So the first one that we will be discussing is called Iqgham Kamil, which means complete assimilation. So complete assimilation is whereby we're joining the previous letter that has the vowel fatha, kasra and dhamma, and we are joining it straight into the mushaddad letter, and the letter in between with the sukoon is silent. So we do not pronounce this letter in between, and this is where it's called complete. We are completely joining the mutaharrik letter into the mushaddad letter. So there's two, as I mentioned, there's two broad categories. There's many more, of course, but the two broad umbrella categories are idgham kamil and idgham naqis. And the first one is idgham kamil. So if we take a look at lam or ra mushaddad, and when these letters appear after a noon sakin or a tanween, no nasal sound will be assimilated into the next letter. So hereby we will be joining the mutaharrik letter into the mushaddad, and the noon sakin and tanween would not produce a nasal sound. So the first example that I've got on my list over here is min ladunka. So as you can see over here, we have min and then we have ladunka. Now on the lam, it's a mushaddad letter and it has a shadda on it. And the letter before the noon sakin, the mim, has a kasra. So the correct way to pronounce this word over here will be min ladunka. We are completely joining the mim into the lam mushaddad. Another example we have over here is khayrul lakum. Yeah? Khayrul lakum. So if we take the first part, khayrun, the tanween produces the noon sakin. But in this case, the lam is a mushaddad letter. So always remember the mushaddad letter takes precedence. So in this case, the tanween sound, which is the noon sakin, would not be produced. And we will be saying khayrul lakum. So it's completely assimilated, it's completely joined into the lam mushaddad, and no nasal sound has been produced. Now, we also have some other examples of merging that occur without the noon sakin and tanween. So in this case, there will be no noon sakin and no tanween, and it's still called idgham kamil. So the first example is from the Holy Quran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.